Have you ever wondered why the Arctic and Antarctic remain two of the most enigmatic places on Earth? Positioned at opposite ends of our planet, these two icy realms are a stark contrast to the bustling cities and lush landscapes we are more familiar with. The Arctic, our planet's northernmost region, encircles the North Pole. It's an ocean surrounded by land, a chilly sea carpeted with drifting ice and fringed by frosty landscapes. The Antarctic, on the other hand, is a continent cloaked in ice and surrounded by the Southern Ocean. It's the coldest, windiest and driest continent, and home to the South Pole. These polar regions are not just geographical opposites, they are climatic extremes too. The Arctic grapples with bone-chilling winters and short, cool summers, while the Antarctic, the colder of the two, experiences temperatures that can plunge to a staggering -89 degrees Celsius in winter. These harsh climates have made large parts of the Arctic and Antarctic largely unexplored. They are the final frontiers on our planet, holding secrets that are yet to be discovered. But these icy landscapes are not just barren wastelands. They are vibrant ecosystems teeming with life, from the majestic polar bears of the Arctic to the quirky penguins of the Antarctic. This vast, unexplored territory and the mysteries it holds have piqued our curiosity and sparked our spirit of adventure. From early explorers setting foot on ice for the first time to modern scientists conducting groundbreaking research, the Arctic and Antarctic continue to captivate us. Every crack in the ice, every gust of wind, and every creature that calls these icy realms home tells a story of survival, adaptation, and the raw power of nature. These are the stories we want to share with you. So buckle up and prepare for an exhilarating ride as we delve into the mysteries of these frozen worlds. Join us as we embark on a thrilling journey through the icy realms of the Arctic and Antarctic. Imagine a world blanketed in ice where the sun doesn't set for half the year. Welcome to the Arctic. A realm of white and blue, the Arctic is a polar region located at the northernmost part of our planet. It's a place where the sun can shine at midnight and darkness reigns at midday. This is a land where the North Pole stands, a point of perpetual chill, a beacon of the extreme. In this vast frozen ocean, icebergs float like ghostly ships, their peaks piercing the frosty air, their bases concealed beneath the icy depths. The Arctic Ocean, unlike any other, is a sea enveloped by a layer of perennial ice. Its icy waters are home to a myriad of creatures, from the tiny Arctic krill to the colossal bowhead whale. And then there's the spectacle of the northern lights, shimmering curtains of green, purple and red that dance across the sky. These celestial fireworks, also known as aurora borealis, are a mesmerizing display of nature's power, lighting up the Arctic sky in a symphony of color. The Arctic is not just a place of ice and snow, but a habitat teeming with life. The polar bear, the king of the Arctic, roams this frozen wilderness with a regal air. With its thick white fur and layer of blubber, it's perfectly adapted to survive in the Arctic's brutal conditions. The Arctic fox, with its fluffy coat that changes color with the seasons, is another marvel of adaptation, thriving in an environment where others would falter. The Arctic's native wildlife reveals the incredible resilience of nature. These creatures have evolved to survive in an environment that is as beautiful as it is harsh, a testament to the power and adaptability of life. Now let's travel to the other end of the Earth, to the Antarctic, the coldest place on our planet. The Antarctic, a land of extremes and superlatives, stands as the most southern point on Earth. Here the South Pole reigns supreme, an icy spot where all lines of longitude converge, and temperatures can drop to a bone-chilling -128 degrees Fahrenheit. The South Pole is not just a point on a map, but a vast plateau covered by a thick layer of ice, a testament to the relentless, biting cold. Stretching out from the South Pole, we find the Antarctic's unique feature, its massive ice shelves. These floating plains of ice, some the size of entire countries, are a sight to behold. They serve as a stark reminder of the raw, untamed power of Mother Nature and the chilling beauty of this frozen frontier. As we traverse the icy expanse, the Antarctic's midnight sun phenomenon becomes apparent. During the summer months, the sun never sets but circles the sky, casting a surreal, otherworldly light over the landscape. This continuous daylight is a stark contrast to the perpetual night of the Antarctic winter, where the sun never rises above the horizon. Despite the harsh conditions, life finds a way to thrive here. The Antarctic is home to a fascinating array of wildlife that has adapted to the extreme cold. Look around, and you might spot emperor penguins, the largest of their kind, huddling together for warmth, or Weddell seals basking on the ice. These creatures have developed unique adaptations to survive in this frozen wilderness, from layers of blubber for insulation to specialized blood cells that resist freezing. The Antarctic, a land of ice and snow, is a testament to the resilience of life and the awe-inspiring power of nature. This frozen desert, devoid of trees and almost entirely covered by ice, is a world apart from any other. Its stark beauty, the vast expanses of ice, the unique wildlife and the relentless cold all serve to leave one in awe of its icy splendor. The Antarctic, a frozen desert, holds a stark beauty that leaves one in awe of its icy splendor. Despite the harsh conditions, humans have been drawn to these icy frontiers for centuries, but why? The answer lies in our innate curiosity and unyielding spirit of discovery. Let's travel back in time to the late 19th century, when explorers first set their sights on these frozen lands. The Arctic and Antarctic were final frontiers, untouched by human hands. Roald Amundsen, a Norwegian explorer, led the first successful expedition to reach the South Pole in 1911. He and his team battled extreme cold, treacherous ice, and endless white landscapes to achieve this remarkable feat. Meanwhile, the Arctic was equally alluring. The North Pole, known for its shifting sea ice and perpetual daylight during summer, was first reached in 1908 by American explorer Robert Peary. These early explorations were not just about planting flags, they were about pushing the boundaries of human endurance and knowledge. Fast forward to the present day, and these regions are still hotbeds for scientific research. Scientists brave harsh conditions to study everything from glacial movements and ancient ice cores to unique wildlife species. This research is crucial in understanding our planet's history and predicting future climate patterns. However, the poles are not immune to the effects of climate change. Glaciers are receding at an alarming rate, and the habitats of polar bears in the Arctic and penguins in the Antarctic are under threat. But it's not all doom and gloom. The data gathered from these regions is helping us understand the impacts of global warming and devise strategies to mitigate its effects. Our exploration of the poles is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. Despite the harsh conditions and the vast, unending whiteness, we continue to push forward, to learn, to discover. The relentless spirit of human exploration continues to unravel the mysteries of these icy realms. From the Arctic's endless daylight to the Antarctic's endless night, we've journeyed through the Earth's icy extremes. We've traversed the Arctic, a land of pristine ice and snow, where the sun never sets in summer, illuminating a landscape teeming with life. We've seen polar bears, the kings of the Arctic, and marveled at the resilient musk oxen, caribou, and Arctic foxes that call this frozen wilderness home. We've witnessed the annual spectacle of millions of seabirds nesting on towering cliffs, and seals and whales frolicking in icy waters beneath the midnight sun. We've visited the Inuit, the indigenous people of the Arctic, and learned about their incredible adaptation to this harsh environment. Their deep-rooted connection with the land, the sea, and the wildlife is a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. Further south, we've explored the Antarctic, a continent of extremes where temperatures can plummet to -100 degrees Fahrenheit in winter. This is the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth. Yet despite its extreme conditions, life thrives here too. We've marveled at the comical waddle of emperor penguins, the only animal to breed during the Antarctic winter, and watched in awe as humpback whales leapt from the icy waters. We've followed in the footsteps of brave explorers who dared to venture into the unknown, enduring unimaginable hardships to unlock the secrets of these icy realms. Their stories of courage and determination are woven into the fabric of these polar landscapes. From the Arctic's endless daylight to the Antarctic's endless night, Our journey through these icy extremes has been a testament to the resilience of life and the indomitable spirit of exploration. We've witnessed the stark beauty of these polar landscapes, the unique wildlife that inhabit them, and the humans who have dared to explore them. Our journey ends here, but the polar adventures continue, forever drawing us into their icy embrace. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our future adventures.